Welcome back to our channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. Get ready to be blown away as we dive into the world of luxury and sophistication with the all-new 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe. The Chevrolet Tahoe is a full-size SUV known for its spaciousness, versatility, and capability. It offers seating for up to 9 passengers, making it a popular choice for families and those who need ample passenger and cargo space. The Tahoe typically comes with a range of engine options, including powerful V8 engines, which provide robust performance and towing capability. The exact engine options and performance specifications for the 2023 model year may vary and should be confirmed with Chevrolet. Inside, the Tahoe offers a comfortable and well-appointed cabin with modern features and technologies. It often includes a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone integration, multiple USB ports, and available features such as a rear seat entertainment system and a premium audio system. In terms of safety, the Tahoe typically offers a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including features like forward collision warning, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear view camera. The Chevrolet Tahoe is also known for its ruggedness and off-road capability. It often comes with available 4-wheel drive and features like off-road suspension and skid plates, making it suitable for various terrains and weather conditions. It's important to note that specific details about the 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe may vary, and I recommend contacting Chevrolet directly or visiting their official website for the most accurate and up-to-date information on the features, specifications, and performance of the 2023 Tahoe.